At a quick glance of OmegaT. OmegaT is written in Java language. It is a free software and it is open source, so that anyone who is good in programming can reprogram the thing and change it according to his or her needs. Okay, and OmegaT doesn't require any investment because it is free forever. You don't have to buy any license, and it is open source, so it is transparent, and it is a good software, and it runs in several platforms like Linux, Mac, Microsoft Windows, and Sun Solaris operating systems. It was initially developed by Kate Godfrey, and currently it is maintained by Aaron Madlock, who heads a team of developers and programmers and translators for running this OmegaT project. OmegaT support is very good, though it is a free tool. The features are very good. The support given by OmegaT official team is really excellent. Okay. Okay. What is a translation memory? A translation memory saves your source and target text and some parameters. For example, if you are translating from French to English, French is your source, English is your target language. A translation memory can be a local TM or server-based TM in OmegaT. It can be saved in your desktop, or if you are handling a team project, that is, if you are working with a set of translators, you can create a shared repository and share the files and TM along with your group of translators. Okay, so the source text and the target text and parameters, for example, date of creation, how many times the segment is used, like that, some parameters are saved in the translation memory. Okay, next topic is project. So what is a project? A project will contain one or more files that are going to be translated, the files for translation. Okay, again, it can have a local TM by default, or else if you are working with a team, it can have a server TM. Okay, a project can have glossaries. Okay, you can create glossaries, or you can add existing glossaries. Okay, glossary. OmegaT supports glossaries in three formats. First being Notepad text format .txt. You can create a glossary, a bilingual glossary with source in first as the first word, then add a tab space and add the target term. You can also save the glossary in Excel format, but you have to save it as a .csv format. Okay, a glossary can be a client given glossary or user created glossary. Using a glossary for brand terminology or terminology for a specific domain, it will help you improve your consistency and quality. Okay, next. As I said earlier, OmegaT supports a team project. Two or more translators can work in a team project with files and TM shared by using a shared repository. Okay, this is something advanced feature available in OmegaT. Okay, what is fuzzy match? Any match between 51% to 99% is called a fuzzy match. I will explain that practically when showing the OmegaT demonstration. Now just understand, it is just a match from 51% to 99%. Okay, next, machine translation. OmegaT supports machine translation like Google or Microsoft Translation. but only paid machine translation solution may be used in OmegaT. You can't use free empty in OmegaT. Okay, next. What is a translation memory? I have already explained. It has a source text to be translated, the target text, that is you are going to translate, or if it is a match, it will be applied automatically by the cat tool, and parameters like creation, user, and date of creation, number of times the segment is used, and everything. Okay. What are some other feature? Segment. A segment can be a word or a sentence or a paragraph. Okay, for example, if you are going to translate a paragraph, it will not appear as a paragraph in a cat tool. Mostly it will appear as a segment. So a segment may be comprised of a word or a sentence. Sometimes it can be a paragraph without a full stop. Sometimes your segmentation can be set to paragraph, and you will get one paragraph in one segment, and you have to type that, translate that entire paragraph. Okay, fuzzy match is a partial match in translation, like 51% to 99%. Okay, it can be substituted. Then what is the match? Whatever translations saved in the translation memory is compared with the current line that you are going to translate. Okay, you are going to translate a particular segment. That segment will be compared with whatever hundreds or thousands of segments saved in the translation memory. If there is any match, if it will be automatically applied by the cat tool. If there is no match, it will not be applied. You have to do the manual translation. I will explain about match and fuzzy match directly when I deal the OmegaT project in practice. What is alignment? File alignment. OmegaT has a feature called align, whereby you can put a separate source file and target file in that to build the TM. Why do you need that? For example, till today you haven't used a cat tool. So whatever translation you have done separately will remain as separate file. For example, if you are an English to French translator, your English file will be separate, your target French file will be separate. You have to put both these files in OmegaT and then align these files sentence by sentence, segment by segment, and then import that into your TM. Why do we need to do that? Because you want to build your TM with the past translation and make your TM bigger. Okay, that is the primary reason for doing alignment. Next thing is auto completion. Auto completion is nothing like when you type the first one or two letters, it will come as a drop down. So it will come from Glossary or sometime from fuzzy match. Okay, so auto completion is a feature in OmegaT. Finally, there are many optional plugins in OmegaT. For example, Vocabulary Framework is a very famous plugin. By using this plugin, you will be able to get many additional features, such as like working with Trados files and working with InDesign files. Okay, there may be empty plugins also. By the use of additional plugin, you will be able to get additional functionalities in